In today's video, I'm going to teach you Sheets conditional formatting based on another cell. If you want your spreadsheet to automatically highlight certain cells depending on what's happening in a different cell, conditional formatting is a really useful tool. It helps you make important information stand out without needing to manually change colors every time your data updates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up in Google Sheets in a simple and practical way. To begin, select the range of cells you want to format. For example, you might choose cells A2 through A50. This is the area where the formatting will appear when your condition is met. It's important to choose this range carefully, because Google Sheets will apply the rule only to the cells you highlight at this stage. Once your range is selected, go to the top menu, click Format, and then choose Conditional Formatting. This opens the Conditional Formatting panel on the right side of the screen. That sidebar is where you'll create and control the rule that determines when your selected cells should change appearance. In the sidebar, look for the section labeled Format Cells. Click the drop-down menu there and scroll all the way down until you find Custom Formula Is. This option gives you more control than the standard choices because it lets you create a formula that checks another cell or another range of cells before applying the formatting. After selecting Custom Formula Is, enter your formula into the value or formula box. This is the part that tells Google Sheets what condition to look for. The formula you use will depend on your sheet layout and what exactly you want to happen. For example, you may want a cell in column A to change color when a cell in column B contains a certain value, or when another cell is blank, complete, overdue, or marked with a specific status. Make sure your formula matches the structure of your data, especially if you are applying it across multiple rows. Once your formula is in place, choose the formatting style you want to use. You can pick a fill color, text color, or other formatting options depending on how noticeable you want the result to be. Try to use a color that clearly communicates meaning, such as green for completed items or red for something that needs attention. When everything looks right, click Done to save the rule. Your formatting will now update automatically whenever the condition in the related cell changes. This makes your spreadsheet easier to read, easier to manage, and much more efficient to work with.